Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League, what you need to do is open up your Premier League account and be sure to log into your account. And now on the bottom bar you'll see these 5 icons. Tap on the fantasy icon on the center bottom of the screen, and once you're here, all you gotta do now is tap on transfers. And once you tap on transfers, you'll see options, that is free transfers, wildcard, cost and bank. All you gotta do is tap on wildcard if it's available to you, and what this means is there is an option to change the player from the selection of the list. And what this does is it allows you to change player, and keep in mind to note your amount in your bank and your points cost as well, because using the wildcard option may cost you a certain amount of points and money. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just select a player that you want to replace, and once you are done with that, that's basically how you can use wildcard, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.